What up, YouTube? I'm gonna try to video this. These are old stock saddlebags from my '87 Heritage Softail. We're gonna try to bring them back to life. Leather honey is what I'm trying to use. You just want to use a little bit. You don't want to soak it. Make sure you put a small amount on it. I guess this stuff opens it up, opens the leather cords up. If it's not a hard stain on it. Bam! Leather honey cleaner. Anyways, no, man, I don't think it's working too good, this stuff. They're pretty old. Let's see what this conditioner does. It's been in my cupboard for a while. Looking like a honey. This is looking good. This is looking real good. It's looking good. I should have put the other stuff in there. Working pretty good. I'll do this one and I'll show you the one I didn't do. Softening it up a little. Seems like it's working. Hardly take a lot. You gotta figure 1987. Bad boys probably. Seen their better days. That was show. See where it said Harley Davidson in the spoons. I think I caught these just in time. They're ready to scrap and break straps. I don't know how that cleaner works. I think it wasn't doing nothing, so I didn't use it. There's a lot. I don't know. Passer's gotta go. Although they're OG Harley Davidson soft bags, semi-hards, I guess you call them. I'm not locking the passer's gonna rust it. Might take it back and come back. But they are rusty. Yeah, we'll try them out. I'll pick them up. Then I have the bracket I gotta bring in and fix those right. They have those butchered on. do it, but man, it's working. So the upper part of the strap needs the lower part. Okay, so let me get this one. Let's open it up. Stuff's working. Leather condition. Look at the difference.
Yeah, I can tell.
These are, I didn't know it. I thought someone put these soft bags on it. See?
Yeah.
They're Harley Davidson. But I think they're back. So, I'm gonna, since I got time now, I'm gonna try to put it right off this one. Everybody keeps telling me that that bike can follow me with me all around the car. That's right. It's worse than that when I get another bike. It's on camera.
I think that,
What was just that? Wow. Alright. Love you. I need to keep this going before I think that's a factor. I got two. Got it. So, I keep saying so. I gave up the car audio stuff, and now I'm going to do my other passion, motorcycle. This is my first Harley. I mean, I've owned Harleys before, but no road. I had a Sportster that was in pieces. I had years ago, I had an Enduro bike. It was a two-stroke Enduro Harley Davidson. I got it running. It was fun. But someone made me an offer on it and I sold it cheap, not knowing what I had. Yeah, that's not happening with my hands all stiff. So, road almost my entire life. You know, to me, this Harley's all I wanted to really own. Some people really can't own. You know, they can't afford them and whatnot. But I had a problem, an addiction, let's say, when I was younger. I messed up my kids. You know, they really. I was bad. I was a bad person. I'm not now. It's been 30 years, maybe 30 years since I drank or did anything. But I'm sure a lot of us go down that road, you know, that rabbit hole. Some of us recover, some of us don't. But I don't cry every day over it. I just keep moving on. I feel bad that my kids, you know, had to go through that. They're in their 20, 30 years old. They forgive me. That's all that really matters. My wife forgives me. So, oh wait, this is just a conditioner. I don't get paid for motor hunting. It's called leather hunting since '68. So I roughed it in. I'll show you the other bag. And you tell me what you think. Okay, there's before, there's after. Before, after. So, hold on. I don't have all my fancy stuff yet. I just got my gyro. It's flipping out right now. Look at it. We'll turn that off real quick. Okay, so let me know what you all think down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm at 510. There's a lot more videos to come. I have a few bikes coming next month. I'm going to bob one. I'm going to plus a lot on mine. But neither here nor there. Done with the car audio. Big stuff like I had in my Cadillac. But please subscribe. Help a small guy just trying to make it in the world. Thank y'all. Have a good night and have a blessed week.